So now what we're going to do is actually make the coffee. I've got the portafilter here. I'm just going to pour some hot water into it to warm it up. Put a little bit in the cup that you're using. Assemble everything, put it in the machine. Now the trick with these particular machines is to just give it a little dose of water first. Now what that does is it dampens the grinds, so when you eventually make the espresso you get a much better creamer on the top of the drink. So we'll go ahead and make that and see what the result is like. Now I've put some water in the bottom of this cup. The reason I've done that is because I'm not making an espresso, I'm making more of an americano, so it won't have as much creamer as a pure espresso would, but it'll be a longer drink for me. Now you can hear the difference in the noise it's making. That's because it's actually building up pressure now through the grinds, and out comes the coffee. You can see it's just dripping out, it's not pouring out. That means that we've got the decent level of compression on the coffee grinds, and we're going to turn up with a good flavoured cup of coffee at the end of it. So I'm going to stop that about there because the colour of the coffee dripping out of the head here is actually getting to the sort of almost clear level, and that means it's going to be sufficiently done for my liking. Okay, so let's have a look at what we've got. Coffee wise, here we are. Bit of creamer on it, not a bad looking cup of coffee. We'll have a little sip and see what we think. Cheers. Nice.